We have deployed tens of solutions in production now, but it's one of the first that I would like is a solution to geolocate our trucks. And basically, if you are on a factory yard, it's pretty hard to geolocate your trucks because even if a truck is a big thing, is a big vehicle. We have several hundreds of trucks on a huge factory yard, and most of them are white, so it's quite difficult to find the right one for a worker. So what we have done is we have deployed a solution to geolocate the trucks in real time, and we have deployed this solution in 17 factories. So it's a quite big deployment. So we are geolocating several thousands of trucks every day, and brings a lot of value for the business. Because before this solution, they were writing down the position of the trucks on the factory yard. I am Julien Bertolini. I am an IoT expert at Volvo Group. Catch me at the Marketer of the Month podcast.